Hello students. I hope you already have the PDF file of first chapter which I already sent you, in which there is textbook of first chapter as well as the workbook of first chapter. Last time we have finished all textbook passages and exercises. I have also sent the answer key of the same. I hope you must have checked all the exercises. Now, let's start today with the workbook exercises. Here in this video, I am going to explain you how to solve the workbook exercises. You are supposed to solve that those workbook exercises in your CW. So let's start. Module 3, Lektion 1, Lektion is lesson. Was ist du in der Pause? Arbeitsbuch, Seite Nummer 3. Workbook, page number 3. So let's start with first exercise. Aufgabe 1. Essen oder trinken. Eating or drinking. Schreib die Wörter in die Tabelle. Here, this side, they have given you the words which you already know. In the first PPT itself, we have discussed all these words with the articles. So, now you are supposed to write the correct verb for eatables and correct verb for drinks. While writing the eatables and drinks, you are also supposed to write the article. For example, the first one is Kuchen. Kuchen is always ich esse. So ich esse in this column it will come. But Kuchen article is there. So masculine it is einen Kuchen. Always remember here in these columns you will write the accusative article because ich is the nominative. While writing the accusative article, for masculine you will write einen, for feminine you will write eine, and for neutral you will write ein. Let's see one or two more examples so it will be more clear in your mind. The next one is banana. Now for banana also you will use ich esse. What is the article of banana? Banana is feminine. So here you will write ich esse eine Banane. Klar? Then the next word is Apfel. Apfel is masculine. So you will write ich esse einen Apfel. Similarly, you need to complete this table. Okay, is it clear? Now let's move to Aufgabe 2. Okay, we'll start. Wir beginnen mit der Aufgabe 2. Schreiben Sätze wie im Beispiel. Here, you are supposed to write the sentences like this sentence. Now see here how you are supposed to write the sentences. Here the first column is ich möchte, that will remain the same. Even last is essen und trinken. According to the object or according to the thing you will choose, accordingly you will decide whether essen or trinken. If it is eatable, you will write essen. If it is drinks, you will write trinken. Now, for ein, einen, eine or dash, you know the rule. First, you will select the noun from here, from this third column, Schokoriegel. Schokoriegel is masculine. So, einen will be used. So, ich möchte einen Schokoriegel essen. You go with the same sequence like here also only. So, after Schokoriegel, there is cola. For cola, you will use essen or trinken. You will use trinken. Clear? So, cola has article eine. That means it is feminine. So, ich möchte eine Cola trinken. Is this clear? Then let's see the next one. Kuchen. Kuchen is essen or trinken? Essen. What is the article of Kuchen? Kuchen is masculine. So for masculine, what we use? Einen. So ich möchte einen Kuchen essen. I will revise the articles once again. Ein you will use for neutral. Einen you will use for masculine. Eine you will use for feminine. And dash you will use for plural. For example, we'll see chips. Chips is plural. So ich möchte, nothing will come. Chips essen. Is this clear? Is it clear in your mind? Okay, let's go ahead. Next page, Seite Nummer 4. And we will do third exercise. Okay? Was passt zusammen? Was passt zusammen means match the pair. What is matching together? You have to match 1 to 6 with A, B, C, D, E, F, A to F. Now, I am not going to tell you here answers. I will just read the sentences for the sake of meaning. So, it will be clear in your mind and it will be easier for you to match the pair. So, the first one. Möchtest du einen Apfel? Would you like to have an apple? Second one. Was möchtest du? What would you like to have? Möchten means would like to have. Was trinkst du? Was means what? What do you drink? Hast du Hunger? Are you hungry? Was isst du in der Pause? What do you eat in the lunch break? Eine Cola. A cola and question mark. Now let's read this side. Nein, ich habe keinen Hunger. No, I'm not hungry. Nein, danke. Ich habe keinen Durst. No, thank you. I'm not thirsty. Ich möchte ein Schinkenbrot. Schinkenbrot is meat sandwich. And möchte is would like to have. So I would like to have a sandwich with meat. Ich esse einen Schokoriegel. I eat a chocolate bar. Ja. Einen Apfel esse ich immer gern. This gern means always like. I always like to eat an apple. So this glad shows your liking. What do you like to eat or what do you like to drink? Ein Mineralwasser bitte. And mineral water please. So these are the meanings of these two columns. You are supposed to match 1 to 6 with A to F according to the correct meanings. Okay, so was passt zusammen is match the pair. Is it clear? Okay, now let's discuss Aufgabe 4. Aufgabe 4 is accusative articles in indefinite article as well as in negation. Ergänze wie im Beispiel. Beispiel is example. Fill up as shown in the example. Ergänze is fill up. Now let's see the example so it will be more clear. Trinkst du ein Mineralwasser? In the first sentence you are supposed to use indefinite accusative article. Now how you will decide the indefinite accusative article? You need to see the article of the noun which is after blank. For example, here Mineralwasser is there. What is the article of Mineralwasser? Mineralwasser is neutral. So for neutral accusative we use ein. That's why here ein is used. But this question is yes no question. Do you like to or do you drink a mineral water? Nein. But the answer is nein. No. I don't drink mineral water or I drink no mineral water. So it is compulsory that in the next sentence negation, negative article, negative accusative article must be used. Mineralwasser is neutral, so negative accusative article is kein. Okay. Now we will see the next one. In the next one, first thing what you will check, you will see the article of the noun which is after blank. What is the noun here? Tafel Chocolade. Tafel Chocolade is chocolate bar. So its article is feminine. So in the first sentence, you will use indefinite feminine accusative article which is eine. So here what will come? Eine. Nein, ich möchte. Now I am going to negate that. I don't want that Tafel Chocolade. Now what is the article of Tafel Chocolade? It is feminine. But here we need to use the article in negation. We need to use negative accusative article, feminine article. So here it will be kind. Then let's see the third example. Is do yogurt. Now what is the article of yogurt? Let's consider it has both the article masculine or neutral. We'll consider here masculine. Okay. So masculine accusative indefinite article here will be einen. Now the same sentence we are negating. 9. I don't eat yogurt. So yogurt is masculine. So negative masculine accusative article is keinen. For this exercise, I can tell you one small trick also. If you are using ein in the first sentence, here it will be kind. If you are using eine in the first sentence, in the next sentence it will be keine. If you are using einen in the first sentence, it will be keinen in the next sentence. Okay? Similarly, you are supposed to solve the next sentences. Here you will first check the article of the noun. Then you will decide the indefinite accusative article, and in the second sentence you will see negative accusative article. Okay? Is it clear in your mind? Okay. Let's go ahead. Okay. In the fifth exercise, you are supposed to fill up. Ergänze is fill up. Keinen, keine, kein. That means you will fill up the negative articles. Okay? Negative accusative article. Now let's revise this. Keinen is used for masculine nouns. Keine is used for feminine. And kein is used for neutral nouns. Okay? So let's read it one by one. Here also first you will check the article of the noun which is after blank. What is here? Käsebrot. So what is the article of Käsebrot? Käsebrot is neutral. So for neutral it is kein. Ich esse kein Käsebrot. Let's see the second one. Second one is Apfel. So article of Apfel is masculine. So here it will be keinen. Clear? Then what's about the third one? Apfelsaft. Apfelsaft article is masculine. So here it will be keinen. Fourth one is banana. Banana is feminine. So here you will use keine. Similarly, you have to solve this side also. Whatever is the article of the noun after blank, accordingly you will decide the accusative negative article. Keinen is used for masculine, keine is used for feminine, and kein is used for neutral. Clear? Okay. Let's go ahead. Sixth exercise. Sixth exercise is bring the dialogue Tyler in the richtige Reihenfolge. Bring is bring dialogue parts in the correct sequence. Here this is given the dialogue. You can see here. Whatever is highlighted is one person is speaking, and whatever is not highlighted, these are the sentences of another person. You have to write the appropriate dialogue. You have to form the sequence of the correct dialogue and write in your CW. Okay. So I will just read the sentences for the sake of vocabulary. But the correct sequence you will write in CW. Clear? So the first sentence. Finn, was ist du in der Pause? Finn, what do you eat in the break? Nein, keine Cola. Lieber einen Saft. Lieber is more preferably. No cola. More preferably or more likely a juice. And you? Nein. Äpfel mag ich nicht. No apples. This is the plural form. No, I don't like apples. Mag is the conjugation of mögen, that means to like. Aber ab und zu esse ich eine Banane. Ab und zu means now and then. Now and then I eat a banana. I don't like apples, but now and then I eat banana. Ja, normalerweise. Normalerweise means normally. A juice. Einen Saft is juice. Aber Limonade trinke ich auch gern. Gern, I told you that gern means likely. Means normally a juice, but I also like to drink lemonade. Ich esse einen Joghurt. Und du, Lee, was magst du? I eat an yogurt. And you, Lee, what do you like? Magst du like? Und was trinkst du? Cola. And what do you drink? Cola. Ich esse gern eine Banane oder einen Apfel. I like to eat a banana or an apple. Magst du auch Äpfel, Finn? Do you also like apples, Finn? So these are the different segment forms. You have to form a meaningful dialogue from these sentences, and you are supposed to write that dialogue properly in your CW. Is it clear? Can we go ahead now? Okay. Now this exercise number 7 we are going to skip, as there is nothing much in this exercise. Let's go to 8 exercise. In the 8 exercise, you can see the table of conjugation. Here you are supposed to write the conjugation of SN and conjugation of Nehmen in this table. Just fill up the table. Ergänze is fill up and Tabella is table. Okay, clear? Okay. Then Aufgabe 9. Ergänze in der richtigen Form essen, nehmen oder trinken. Fill up in the correct form. Richtigen is correct form. Which verbs you are going to fill up? Essen is to eat, nehmen is to take, and trinken is to drink. Now in this exercise, what you are supposed to do? First, according to meaning, choose the verb. For example, first one I will show you. Lee, was möchtest du in der Pause? Eine Birne oder eine Banane? Lee, what would you like to dash in the break? A pear or a banana? Now what you will use? You will say what would you like to eat? Clear? So for eat it is essen. So it has been decided that we will use the verb essen. Now always remember, whenever this möchten is there, in that case the verb should come at the end of the sentence. That's why blank is at the end of the sentence. But the verb should come in the original form, because we have conjugated the verb möchten. So here Essen will come in the original form. So here the answer will be Essen. Clear? Now the question is asked, Lee, what would you like to eat in the break? Pear or banana? Nein, Mutti. Ich blank lieber einen Schokolade. Lieber is more likely I a chocolate bar and dash a juice. Now for chocolate bar, what you will use? Eat, take or drink? You will use eat. But here, as the blank is at second place, you are supposed to conjugate the verb. So what will be Essen's conjugation according to is esse. Similarly, I would like to, or I will want to, I like to eat a chocolate bar and dash a juice. So I will use trinken. So what is the conjugation of trinken according to ish? That will be trinken. Is it clear? So everywhere in second, third, fourth, fifth, you will first translate the sentence. You will decide which verb will be appropriate. Then you will conjugate that verb if required. And then you will write the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's go. Aufgabe 10. Page number 6. Schreib Mini-Dialoge wie im Beispiel. Write mini dialogues as given in the example. Okay. So let's read first example, then we can form the dialogues. First, it is a sentence by Waiter, guten Abend. Then she says, Ich nehme eine Gulaschsuppe. So then she says, the customer says, I will take a meat soup. Und was trinken Sie? Ein Mineralwasser. Now remember, this waiter's dialogue will be same. Now here, what is the picture here? Pizza and this may be orange juice, Orangensaft. Fine. So we'll keep the waiter's dialogue same. Guten Abend. Fine. Ich nehme. Whatever is the eatable here, that you will use after ich nehme. So pizza article is die Pizza, means feminine. So you will say ich nehme eine Pizza. Then waiter's dialogue will be as it is. Und was trinken Sie? And what would you like to drink? Orange juice. But this orange juice will be in accusative. Whatever eatables or drinks we are writing here are in accusative. So Apfelsaft, or sorry, Orangensaft, it is masculine. So for masculine accusative, it will be einen Orangensaft. So once again I will read the dialogue for you. Guten Abend. Ich nehme eine Pizza und was trinken Sie? Einen Orangensaft. Clear how you have to, just you have to form all this dialogue with 4 sentences like this. Here waiter's dialogue will be the same and these two you have to form. Can we try one more? So it will be more clear. In the second picture, it is hamburger and mineral water. Okay. So let's start. First sentence will be as it is, Guten Abend. Second will be ich nehme, and after ich nehme we will write hamburger. What is the article of hamburger? Hamburger is masculine, so it will be einen Hamburger. So first Guten Abend, ich nehme einen Hamburger. Then und was trinken Sie? And what do you drink? Ein Mineralwasser. Mineralwasser is what? Neutral. So it is ein Mineralwasser. Is it clear? Let's see one more example. Now what is this? This is Wurstbrot, sausages with bread. And this is Limonade. Okay. So let's build the dialogue. First one is Guten Abend. Okay. Ich nehme. This is Wurstbrot. Brot is das Brot. So you will write Ich nehme ein Wurstbrot. Und was trinken Sie? And what do you drink? Limonade article is feminine. So it will be eine Limonade. Clear? So will you try the next one? You are supposed to write these 5 mini dialogues in your CW. Similar like the given example. Okay? Is it clear? Can we go ahead? Okay, fine. Page number 7. Arbeitsbuch, Seite Nummer 7. We will see Aufgabe 11. Aufgabe 11. It is ergänze einen, eine, ein. Fill up einen, eine, ein. Now everywhere it is in accusative. So you will just check what is the article of the noun after blank. If it is masculine, you will write einen. If it is feminine, you will write eine. If it is neutral, you will write ein. So let's solve few sentences. First one, ich esse blank Hamburger. Hamburger is masculine. So what you will write for masculine? It is einen. Ich nehme blank Portion Pommes frites. Portion, it is a small portion of French fries. When you go to McDonald's, you get a portion of French fries. So that is called as a portion and its article is feminine. So it will be eine. Then ich trinke blank Limonade. Limonade is also feminine. So here it will be once again eine. Ich möchte blank Stück Pizza. One piece of pizza I want. That Stück is neutral, so its article will be ein. Is it clear? So you will see the article of the noun after blank. If it is masculine, you will use einen. If it is feminine, you will use eine. If it is neutral, you will use ein. Klar? Okay. Aufgabe 12. Stell Fragen. Make the questions. Stell Fragen is make the question. Now here they have given the answer. If you remember in 6th standard, whenever we make the questions, first thing what we check is it a yes no question or no. If the answer is starting with yeah, 9, for example here, here and here. If it is starting with Yeah, order 9. It will be yes no question. In yes no question, verb should be at first place. Clear? And if it is not starting with yeah 9, it will be WH question. In WH question, verb should be at second place. Now let's see the few examples. Nein, danke. Ich habe keinen Durst. No, thank you. I am not thirsty. So maybe someone will ask, would you like to drink cola? No, thank you. I am not thirsty. Would you like to drink orange zaft, orange zaft? It is also any drink you can add. So the question will be möchtest du. Whenever the answer is in ish, you have to form the question with du or capital Z. So we will form here with du. So möchtest du Cola trinken? No, thank you. I am not thirsty. Clear? Then second one is ja. Einen Kuchen esse ich gern. A cake I would like. Whenever it is yeah, it is very easy. You won't need to change anything in the question. You will just put the verb at the first place. Ich will be changed into du. So isst du einen Kuchen gern? But remember that in yes no question, verb should be at first place. So the first question will be, so the question will be ist du. This SN will come at first place. Ist du einen Kuchen gern? Means would you like to eat a cake? Clear? Then the third one is ich esse einen Yogurt. I eat yogurt. So the question will be what do you eat? What is the word for what? Was. So was will come at first place. Then essence conjugation must be done according to do. So that is ist. So was is do. Clear? Similar sentence is fourth one. Z is noodle. Only instead of ish, it is used she. She eats noodles. So the sentence question will be what does she eat? But remember that this do, doesn't come in German. Directly you will use the verb at second place. So was, ist, sie. Clear? Ich nehme ein Stück Pizza. I will take a piece of pizza. So what do you take? So once again, was, nimmst du. Klar? Then 9, ich habe keinen Hunger. So I am not hungry. So the question will be, are you hungry? But we never use are. We ask, do you have hunger? So the question will start with verb, hast du Hunger? Klar? So remember that if it is yes no question, start the question with verb. If it is not yes no question, use the WH question. Klar? Then exercise number 13. Wörter Rätsel. Rätsel is puzzle. Words puzzle. Du kannst alles essen und trinken. You can drink and eat and drink everything. Ergänze auch das Lösungswort. Fill up also the solution word. Lösungswort is solution word. Here the articles are given and few words, few alphabets are given. Accordingly you need to guess the words. Okay, for example here the colas. Here only the cola. Here their kuchen. Whatever words you have learned till now, it is from this only. From those vocabulary only these words need to be filled. Whenever you will fill up the complete puzzle, you will get the Lösungswort. Lösungswort is solution word. That solution word you are supposed to write here. Ich esse alles gern. I like to eat everything but dash esse ich besonders gern. But I like to eat the most is this thing. Okay. So exercise number 13. Till exercise number 13 we have discussed how to solve the workbook exercises. You are supposed to write those workbook exercises answers in your CW. And next time I will send the answer key of it. Then check your answer. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you.